talk a little bit about my tanks here. It's got a cardo inside. This tank, I think it's about 3 milliliter. I drilled a hole in it and put a plunger, the soft rubber plunger from a syringe in the hole to use it as a refill, so I can fill up my tank without having to take off the end and put it back on. I just pop that cap out. Also works as a little pump to put pressure on the inside of the tank to keep the cardo wet inside. It's a little moist around the outside edge of it, but that's no big deal. I made a little vaping box. It's got a lithium rechargeable battery in it. This was a PS60 rayovac. The rest of it that I cut off, the rest of the plastic here, was a little rechargeable charging pack for your cell phone or something. You could take it along with you. You charge up the pack, take your cell phone, if it runs out of charge, plug that into the adapter, and it'll put a charge into your cell phone to give you more time. Anyway, this little thing, I put a nipple on the end to screw my tank in. Screw the tank in, the small one. I've got a low resistance cartomizer in here. Inserted the button right in the front here to turn it off and on. It's a small little unit, as you can see, fits right in your hand, real nice. I've been vaping on this since 8 o'clock this morning. Had a full charge on it. It's 12:32 right now. And I'm a heavy vapor. Now I can recharge this now with the charging component, the electronic component that was inside. Here, there's a little red plug I took from some other little electronic project. I attached the female, I guess, plugs right into inside there to charge it, like so. There you can see kind of the silver lithium battery inside of there. Wire. And I just plug that in. You got to make sure you got your positive and your negative wires hooked up right to where these wires are to this plug is where the lithium battery was soldered to it, and this whole unit was inside, of course. Of this thing. So this was all inside with the battery and these electronics. And it has a USB, a large USB, and then the mini USB where you plug your charger in to charge the pack. So I plug this in, the red light goes on. When this gets charged up, green light turns on. I'm ready to go. So now I've got a real small in-fist, in-hand size little vape box, and it's been going 4.5 hours. We'll see here later on, you know, how long is it going to last. I'm going to vape on it all day, hopefully. I think get about 12 hours out of it at least. Still going strong. Anyway, over and out. Happy vaping.